Finding screws.
The door panel is attached to the door with a total of 6 screws. Screws 1 and 2 are located under the cover of the armrest. Starting from the bottom, pry the cover out using a suitable tool. The 2 screws, Torx 30, are located at the marked points. Remove both screws. All other screws are freely accessible. Two of them on the rear end. One at bottom end. And one at the front upper end.
Remove window control switch.
The switch can be levered out starting from the back. Pull out the red lock. This causes the plug to unlock itself.
Removing the exterior mirror cover.
The cover on the inside of the exterior mirror is also just plugged in. This can sometimes be a bit strict, so you can pull a little harder.
Remove the door panel.
Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Starting at the bottom, gradually remove the clips from the door. You can find suitable tools and clips in the description. As soon as all clips are released, pull the panel up out of the inner window slot trim. Now unplug the speaker and that's it.
Remove exterior mirror.
After the panel is removed, you can also remove the exterior mirror. First, unplug the 2 connectors of the mirror. Under the rubber cover there is one nut with which the mirror is attached to the door. Unscrew the nut, and then remove the mirror from the outside of the door. At the front end, the mirror is still held in a bracket. Wiggle and pull a little to finally free the mirror. And that was it. Good luck doing it yourself.